Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, as usual, 2 cents on the gold market. So our major conclusion yesterday was that if even market will show some reaction on the Fed, hardly it will be drastic. And although on the daily chart you can see not really bad rally for the $50, in general this doesn't change the overall medium-term situation, and it doesn't mean that retracement that we have discussed is finished already. Absolutely not. So here guys, you just could see the example why we call you to not take any shorts, and why we every time repeat the same idea that in the current environment, if even you have the bearish patterns in place, we do not recommend to take the short position, because gold market is right now has extremely bullish sentiment. And in this environment, any short position probably will bring too much risk and makes your trading very nervous, and it could bring really unexpected negative surprises for any trader who take the shorts right now. So that's why we mostly call you to buy the dips rather than selling the rallies. And that's why we every time in our daily videos and the weekly research we tell that although we have the signs that retracement probably could happen, we will not take the short position. Our major object is to get long position in a good area. So what we could say right now on the perspective of the retracement. In general guys, as market stands on the medium-term resistance, in weekly research we have discussed this with the details. So market right now stands at the weekly fib level, 1285. So recently market also has hit the weekly overbought. This situation hasn't changed. So market still stands around resistance. Also, as you can see, market is forming the bearish divergence on the MACD indicator right below the weekly resistance. That's why this divergence is reliable, and sooner or later retracement probably will come. But recent rally could change the shape of this retracement. So initially we thought that maybe market will form some kind of the hand shoulders pattern here. If market will drop below, slightly lower, but as you can see, as market has met yesterday daily result, and it coincided with the Fed dovish comments, market has jumped up. That's why this situation and also the analysis that we have prepared today in the Japanese yen makes me think that market could change the shape of the retracement. Instead of the hand shoulders, here we could get the 3-drive sell pattern, because Japanese yen also suggests some dive below the lows. It means that the gold market could show some action above the previous tops, but this will not change the perspective of the retracement. So it still will be possible. Here how it could look like. Yeah, I will show you on the 4-hour time frame chart. So take a look. Market has completed first butterfly, reaction down has happened. So this butterfly should be treated as worked properly, because market has reached at least the 3/8, or even, as I see, probably the 50% of the whole butterfly action. It means that butterfly has worked. This could become the first drive. This could become the second drive. This is the first drive. Second drive, as you can see, stands at 127 extension of the first, because this is the butterfly extension. Now, if you will continue of the extensions of the first drive, you will see that the 1618 stands at 13/7 area. It's right here. And if you will calculate the extension, the blue line, of the most recent retracement, you will get that the 127 stands very close to the 1618 of the first drive. So this is very typical for the 3-drive pattern, when the 127 extension of the second drive coincides with the 1618 of the first drive. and there is a place where a third drive should appear. Also, it could take the shape of the butterfly. This very often happens when the third drive takes the shape of the compounded butterflies, side-by-side butterflies. And overall situation reaction here makes me think that really could happen. So very probable that the nearest future market could reach the 30 or 8 area where the third drive will be completed. Another reason why I think so. So recall our double top on the hourly chart. So currently, guys, probably as market has failed with it, so reaction was significant. It has dropped below the neckline, shows the consolidation and returned back up. It means that the double top has failed, and this means in turn that the top of the double top pattern should be taken out. This is the second step of the failure of the double top pattern. Since double top is a reversal pattern, and when it has failed, it means that market will take out of this top. This is a third reason why I think that market really could show the new top in the next week probably. What does it mean for us? Does it mean that we need to take the long position right now? Well, I am not sure, because so here guys, it's mostly 50-50 probability, because we do not know what will happen at the top of this third drive pattern. So usually, speaking by the probabilities, it means that after the third drive, market should show retracement down, and the minimum target of the three drive pattern is the lows between the second and third drive. It means that market should drop below 12.24 area, and this means in turn that we will get the better opportunity for taking the position. So the price will be better than we have right now. But the problem is that we do not know definitely what will happen, because market could, for example, continue move higher. Maybe something will happen. Who knows? This is gold market, guys. That's why if you're a conservative trader, you probably should wait for that scenario. So completion of the third drive and drop lower. If you're active trader, you probably could try to take the position here, and if market will reach this area, you could move your stop to the break-even. Because if market will drop, you will just close your position and wait where you will be able to take the position again. But if market will skyrocket and something will come in the geopolitical news, on some financial news or something of that sort, and if gold market will skyrocket further, you will be just in the favor. So that's what really could be done. For the short term, for the bearish traders, guys, I just can repeat the same thing. That yes, you could get the three drive in place, and you even could try to trade it, and maybe you even will succeed. But think twice before do this, because what will have the greater value? The probable success of this free drive, or the all risk that you will take based on this position. Because as I said, the sentiment is really extremely bullish on the gold market, and you just could get a lot of risk with the trading gold right now on the short side of the market. But it doesn't mean that you can't do this. It's forbidden, absolutely not. If you feel the experience and you feel the inspiration to do this, why not? You could try to do this. But for our position, for daily video, we will treat this pattern only as a reason for retracement that will let us the opportunity for taking the long position at the better price. So as you can see, the situation on the gold market right now is really interesting. Very nice and clear patterns are forming right now here. So let's keep watching, and I hope that sooner or later we will get on this train and we will join this bullish journey, and we will be able to take the position on an advance of the next upward leg on the gold market. So let's see.